How to fix Play Store installing problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store installing problem on Android phone. First then just go back and go to settings and then click apps and apps again and go to Play Store here, click force stop here and now go to storage and here you will find clear cache. Click on it and then just go back and go to storage and then click clean up, and here you need to find the junk files. You need to clean your phone cache and just wait and then just click clean up here. It's easy. Click here and click delete and that's it. Now your phone have been your phone cache have been cleaned. Now just go back and restart your phone and then click restart and now just try it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.